Tired of needing a tag to add friends on Discord? Here's how to send a friend request using just their username. So here's the thing. You know that person you want to add, you know their name, but you have no idea what their 4-digit tag is. Maybe it's hashtag something, maybe it's hashtag something else. Normally, that would be a dead end, right? But it turns out there is a way around it. A little-known trick that lets you skip the tag entirely and just use their username. I've tested this myself, and it works more often than you'd think. Let me walk you through it. We'll use Discord's Friends tab and the Add Friend feature. Just follow these 3 simple steps. All right, let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up Discord. Whether you're on the desktop app or using it in your browser, it doesn't matter. The steps are exactly the same. Now, look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a column of icons. One of them looks like a little person with a plus sign next to it. That is your Friends tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your current friends, pending requests, and blocked users. But what we're looking for is specifically the section near the top where it says Add Friend. You might notice there's a little text box there already, but don't worry about that just yet. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to the next part. Locate and click that Add Friend button. Actually, Discord has made this really straightforward. When you click on the Friends tab, the Add Friend screen should appear by default. You'll see a field that says something like, you can add a friend by their Discord tag. But here's where the trick comes in. You see that field? It's expecting a username and a hashtag and 4 numbers. But here's the thing I want you to remember. Discord's system actually does a broader search than you might realize. In my experience working with Discord's interface, I've found that if the person's username is somewhat unique, you can often just type their name without the tag, and it will still find them. Now, pay attention to this one. Type the person's username exactly as they have it spelled. No tag, no hashtag, no numbers, just their name. Capitalization actually does matter here, so make sure you get that right. Once you've typed it in, you'll see a user pop up in the results below. This is the best part. If they appear, all you have to do is click the blue Send Friend Request button next to their name. And that's it. Done. You've sent a friend request without ever needing to know their tag. Now, I should mention, if the username is really common, like John or Alex or Sarah, there might be multiple results. In that case, you might need to look at their avatar or profile picture to make sure you've got the right person. But for most people, this method works like a charm. And that's really all there is to it. I hope this saved you some frustration, because I know how annoying it is when you just can't seem to find someone. Now, go ahead, add that friend, and enjoy your time on Discord. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone else who might be stuck on the same problem. Happy chatting!